Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play custom ASU songs. First, you'll need to find and download beatmap packs from trusted ASU community websites. Make sure your ASU game client is updated to the latest version for the best compatibility. Once downloaded, you'll need to locate your ASU songs folder, which is usually found within your game's installation directory. This process is straightforward and opens up a world of new music. After downloading your desired beatmap files, which typically come as AS files, the installation is quite simple. You can either drag and drop these files directly into your running ASU game window, and it will handle the import automatically. Alternatively, you can manually place the AS files into your ASU songs folder. Upon launching or restarting ASU, the game will automatically process and import these new beatmaps for you to enjoy. Once your custom songs are imported, finding them in-game is easy. Use the in-game search bar to quickly locate your newly added beatmaps by name or artist. You can also filter your song list by difficulty, artist, or song title to help narrow down your selection. Simply select your preferred beatmap and difficulty level, and you're ready to jump into the rhythm and start playing right away. If your new beatmaps don't appear immediately, try restarting ASU to refresh the song list. If you encounter issues like corrupted beatmaps or loading failures, verifying the file integrity of your downloaded AS files can often resolve the problem. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy exploring the vast world of custom ASU songs and keep practicing to improve your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.